Hi, I'm Dr. Lawrence. Today we'll be talking about 3 steps to quit smoking. It sounds really simple, but let me tell you, many people have struggled days, months, and even years to quit smoking. Smoking cigarettes is an extremely popular trend among youngsters and adults likewise, and it is estimated that almost 40 million adults smoke cigarettes in the US alone, and there are many more millions across the globe. Unfortunately, while smoking may make you look cool, in quotes, smoking can have various side effects and increase your risk of developing health conditions, including various cardiovascular diseases and lung cancer. Quitting cigarette smoking can be an effective way to improve your health and help you to lead a healthier lifestyle. That being said, giving up cigarettes is rarely easy, and many people find giving up smoking to be a huge challenge. If you have decided that you want to get rid of cigarettes for good, then here are the 3 steps to help you quit smoking. Hey, if you are new here or have not subscribed to this channel, do like, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon to receive updates of my health videos. So here are the 3 steps to quit smoking. Step 1. Decide that you want to quit. The very first step is to decide that you want to quit smoking for good. Consider your reasons for wanting to quit and research the benefits of giving up smoking cigarettes. According to smokefree.gov, quitting smoking can improve health in most parts of your body, including your heart, brain, skin, lungs, and muscles. Once you quit smoking, you will significantly reduce your likelihood of developing multiple medical conditions and should see an improvement in your overall health. Along with the health benefits, quitting smoking can also save you significant amounts of money. The average packet of cigarettes costs about $6 to $8. This can quickly add up and leave you spending hundreds of dollars on cigarettes each month, especially if you are a heavy smoker. Giving up smoking cigarettes will mean that you have more disposable income to spend on enjoying your lifestyle. Breaking the cycle of addiction can be extremely difficult, and many people struggle to give up cigarettes. Understanding the various health and cost benefits of quitting will motivate you to stay on the right track and not give in to temptation. The second step to quitting is the use of smoking cessation tools. As mentioned before, quitting smoking is not an easy task, and many people find it extremely difficult to go cold turkey. Fortunately for you, there is a massive selection of smoking cessation tools on the market that are designed to help people transition from smoking cigarettes. These tools include nicotine patches and nicotine gum. These products can help you cope with nicotine withdrawal and cravings. Vaping devices, although not legal in all countries and locations, can be a useful cessation tool when you are trying to give up smoking. Many vaping liquids contain nicotine and create the sensation of smoking, which makes it easier when you are trying to cut down on cigarettes. Various vaping experts stock a range of tobacco-flavored liquids for those who like the taste or are making the transition to vaping from being a smoker. Make sure that you take advantage of the many tools and resources available to ease the transition from smoking. The third and final step is to get quitting support online. Many online groups can offer valuable support and guidance when you are trying to quit smoking. Most of these programs are free to join and allow you to share your experience with other people who are in the process of giving up smoking as well. Research shows that smokers are far more likely to quit when they join a support program rather than trying to do it all alone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you in your journey to quitting smoking. Before you leave, remember that sharing is caring. If you enjoyed this video and it has helped you, please do like, comment in the section below and share it with your friends and relatives. And remember to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to receive every single update. For more interesting content like this, visit www.medicalisland.net. While you are at it, check out these cool videos as well. Thank you and adios.